team. A little evening jaunt tonight. One of my local trails, which is currently heading down a very bumpy track to the Roman lakes near Marple. Where, see, they're not really. They're nothing to do with the Romans, in truth. They were the ponds used to feed one of Samuel Oldknow's mills. So we're going to head up towards Linnet Clough from the lakes. Very washed out. I've been down here for a few days. The most scenic, but it is a lovely lake. Important thing to note, this is a single track lane pretty much the entire way up. So if you do meet anyone, someone's going to have to share with the drove this lane a week ago. It was pretty dry. That's as dry as I've seen it in ages. It's not very dry at the moment, is it? This bit's very, very tight. Had a really delightful conversation with one of the local farmers. As you can probably guess, it wasn't that delightful. Interesting chap. It's all good. You should have to be friendly though, don't you? It wasn't so much driving the lanes he was bothered about. It's more me filming. Well, you know, each to his own. seeking adventure. But sometimes, adventure can be found closer to home than you may